I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated.
Subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Hi guys, welcome to channel Asset Cuber. So in this video, we are gonna see how to do the second layer of this 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So if you haven't seen how to solve my first layer of this 3x3, I've given the link in the description below. Sure to check it before doing the second layer. So I'm gonna start now. So this is one of the case which you're gonna get. So this case is just like we have to take this edge piece over here, and how do I know I have to get it here? We see the middle pieces and then get it here. So now this has blue, so I know it has to come here. So this is matching, and we have to take this edge piece to our left second layer. So how to get it on the left second layer? So wherever you want to fit it, we always take it opposite of it, like this. Look, it came away from the place where we want to fit it. Then we do the left arc first, L dash, U dash, L, U. Then after we do this, we turn the cube like that and then do the right arc. So R, U, R dash, U dash. And with that, I've got this piece over here. And now here is I can see another piece here. I'll match it like that. So I've this piece here. I just showed you this is the second case where you have to fit the edge piece on your right second layer. So over here, this is what I mean by right second layer. So again, we move it opposite of the place where we want to fit it, like up. We don't want it near the place where we want to fit it. And then if we move it to our left side, we do the right arc first. So R, U, R dash, U dash. And after doing the right arc, we again twist the cube and then the left arc. So L dash, U dash, L, U. So that was our second case. Now again, I'll tell you one more case. This is the third case where your edge piece is on the correct place, but it is not oriented properly. So we have to turn this around. So for turning this around, we do the same thing. First we get it up here, then we see if it is, we just get it up here and then again fit it back. So this time I can do either right arc or I can do the left arc. So I'll do the right arc as it is easy. So R, U, R dash, U dash. Then we twist the cube and the left arc. L dash, U dash, L, U. So then I've got it out. Again, I match it to this middle piece like this, matching it. Then do it the opposite way. We don't want it near the place where we want to fit it. Then take it here, so it's not in the place where we want to fit it. And then do the right arc first. R, U, R dash, U dash. Then we twist the cube and do the left arc. L dash, U dash, L, U. So now that was my third case. And then this is the last case where, so there are only three possibilities where you Got it? So I showed you all three of them. Now for the last piece, we just see if it is down here and not oriented properly, or else you want to get it on our left second layer or our right second. So this I have to get it over here, left second layer. So I don't want it near the place where we want to fit it. Then L dash. Like we want to do the left tile. Then L dash, U dash, L, U. Then we choose the Q and do the right tile. Or U, R dash, U dash. And then with that, I'm done with my second layer. Thank you guys for watching my video. Sure to subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, share the video, like my video, and stay tuned up for my next part. Thank you guys.